Have you ever wondered how embracing minimalism could transform your home and simplify your life? Well, today, we're diving into the world of minimalist habits that can make your living space not only cleaner, but also more enjoyable. So, are you ready to declutter and embrace a simpler lifestyle? Now, forget the conventional intros. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter. First tip is home entry organization. Upon entering your home, adopt the habit of immediate organization. Shoes, coats, and bags should find their designated places promptly. By adhering to this rule, you eliminate end-of-day chaos, ensuring a serene and clutter-free evening. Our second tip is pairing the tasks. Efficiency is key when adopting minimalist habits. Consider pairing tasks to maximize your time and efforts. Whether wiping down appliances or running the dishwasher, combining related activities becomes a seamless routine, reducing mental clutter. Our third tip is maintaining a running shopping list. Now, here's a game changer. Keep a running shopping list. Avoid impulsive purchases and duplicates by maintaining ongoing lists for groceries, household items, and even wardrobe essentials. This simple practice ensures you only buy what you need, eliminating unnecessary clutter. Our fourth tip is saying no to bulk buying. Contrary to popular belief, bulk buying may contribute to unnecessary clutter. Minimalism advocates for quality over quantity. Avoid overstocking and potential waste by purchasing only what you need, encouraging a more intentional and sustainable approach. Our fifth tip is clear floors, clear minds. Embrace the psychological benefits of a clutter-free floor. By elevating belongings off the ground, cleaning becomes more straightforward and rooms appear more spacious. Shift the focus from ground-level clutter to a visually open and inviting space. Our sixth tip is weekly kitchen spruce up. Allocate 20 minutes weekly to enhance the cleanliness of your kitchen. Wipe down appliances, clean the sink, and address tasks beyond daily routines. This dedicated time ensures a consistently well-maintained kitchen space without overwhelming your schedule. Our seventh tip is native gardens. Extend minimalist principles to your outdoor space by creating a native garden or opting for low-maintenance alternatives like rock gardens. Native plants thrive with minimal care, offering a sustainable and visually appealing solution that requires little intervention. Our final and eighth tip is fresh air and natural light. Open windows regularly to invite fresh air and natural light into your living space. This simple practice not only contributes to a cleaner atmosphere, but also elevates the overall mood of your home. Embrace the power of sunlight and ventilation for a refreshing and invigorating environment. Now, if the thought of spending dedicated time cleaning doesn't appeal to you, embrace the positive effects of a clean and organized space on your mindset. By adopting this mindset shift, cleaning becomes an enjoyable and rewarding experience, offering numerous mental and emotional benefits. In conclusion, these 8 minimalist habits pave the way for a cleaner, more organized home and a simplified lifestyle. Embrace the principles of minimalism to create a space that is not only visually appealing, but also conducive to a calm and focused mindset. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, embrace the simplicity. Bye-bye.